Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
My lockdown routine consists of 1 hour morning physical fitness. After finishing 1 hour of my physical fitness in the morning, I attend some school online tutorial classes. I spend my evening playing some indoor games and reading some books. I urge all of you to stay home and stay safe.
This is Sakshi Prakash. I represent Goa in the national level. As we all know about the COVID-19 outbreak, it's tough to reach courts. So I practice 1.5 hours in the morning and 1.5 hours in the evening with the help of Mr. Pulela Gopichan sir. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
I am Aryaman Saraf, state badminton player. I represented Goa last season for the West Zone and few years for nationals. During this lockdown, though the stadiums are closed, still I keep myself fit by doing some of my regular fitness exercises like running, jogging, weights, cycling. My SSC boards are approaching, so I have to prepare for it regularly. My message to all is to stay fit and stay healthy. Thank you.